Many of us struggle to get things done because our minds feel scattered and distracted. But what if productivity isn't about working harder or longer, but about working smarter with habits that actually support your brain? Before we begin, drop a comment below. What's your biggest challenge with staying productive? Would love to hear your thoughts. Today, I'll share 5 easy steps you can start using right now to build powerful focus, stay consistent, and get more done without burning out. Step 1. The no-go zone rule. Focus grows by cutting out what doesn't matter. Create your no-go zone, a list of things you refuse to do because they steal your time and energy. This means saying no to low-impact tasks, toxic habits, and people who drain your peace. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "A part of being a good Muslim is leaving what does not concern you." Sunan al-Tirmidhi. Step 2. Set clear focus signals. Don't wait for motivation to show up. Create clear triggers that tell your brain, it's time to work. This could be a clean workspace or praying a short dua asking Allah for barakah. Routines make focus easier because your habits do the hard work. Step 3. The hardest task. First, tackle your toughest or most important task at the start of your day. Ask yourself, what's the one thing that will make everything else easier once it's done? Start with that before distractions take over. This habit builds momentum and confidence. Step 4. Guard your time like a treasure. Turn off notifications and limit interruptions. Only allow the most important people or urgent matters to reach you during focus time. Even the companions of the Prophet, peace be upon him, were careful about idle talk and wasted time. Your time is precious. Protect it fiercely. Step 5. Recharge with purpose. Your energy drives your productivity, not just your schedule. Begin each day with Fajr prayer to invite barakah into your time. Move your body with light exercise, nourish yourself with healthy food, and connect to Allah by reciting Quran or making dua. When your body and soul are refreshed, focus comes naturally. Real productivity is not about working harder, but about aligning your habits with your mind and heart. By practicing these 5 steps regularly, you'll unlock more focus, barakah, and peace in your daily life. Jazakallahu khairan for watching, and may Allah bless you.